I put a bid to work only if there's a red flag. So I got a call last night and this is a red flag. Hi guys, welcome to JoJo TV.
This is my look, my life, my book. This is my destiny. This is my destiny.
Hey guys, we are here in the crew room. Good morning, good morning. I think it's still morning. Yeah, it's 11:05. We have a sequence today, you guys. This is the first time I got a red flag sequence. They called me last night and I put in a request for, generic red flag, and I got a call last night and I am here now. So our sequence for today and tomorrow, it's gonna be a 2-day. And today I'm deadheading on the first leg, and then so that's from Boston to Chicago, and then Chicago to Austin. I am position number 4, and then layover in Austin about 11 plus hours, and then come back tomorrow from Austin straight to Boston, just 1 leg. Yay! I'm also number 4 tomorrow, so this is really nice. Deadhead and then 1 leg and then another leg tomorrow. That's awesome. I love it. So the airport is not as busy as before, and my sign-in time is not until 11:15. Of course, I've already signed in. I'm already here. So I'm just gonna chill here and wait to go to my gate in a few minutes. See you guys in a bit. All right, you guys, I got my hot cocoa and I know where to go for my gate, for my deadhead. So I'm gonna go now and I'll see you at the aircraft. We are now right in front of the gate and they are still deplaning. So I'm just gonna have my hot cocoa here and wait until it's ready to board. Alright, you guys, I am on E175. I haven't been on E175 for a while. This is awesome. Look at this. We're on E175. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's such a tiny aircraft, only 2 flight attendants. I met them, they're both super nice. Hey you guys, the flight attendant number 1 is so sweet. She gave me a couple of snacks to munch, and yeah, this is so cool. I kind of miss this small aircraft. I think it only fits 99 people as far as I remember. Hey guys, it is almost 2 o'clock and we just arrived here in Chicago. I'm heading to my gate. I think I'm in another terminal, so I have to go to another terminal. I will let you know, guys, if I find that terminal. Alright you guys, I think I find my gate. Yay! Alright you guys, almost 2:30. I'm heading to my gate now. I finished all that Chinese food. It was so delicious. We are in Austin, Texas. Yay, layover. I'll see you guys at the hotel. Hey you guys, it's 7:09. We are at the hotel and our lead flight attendant is already checking us in right now. I'm gonna go just pretty much stay in my room, eat there, and maybe work out and then sleep. That's what we're gonna do today. Today, you guys, we are in Austin, Texas. I can hear echo. Can you hear that? Hello? Hello? Anyways, before we do a quick hotel room tour, let me just show you outside because there's a nice kind of sunrise happening right now. Sunset, not sunrise. It's 7:20 here in Austin, Texas. So let's check the outside view. Look at the view, you guys. Look how pretty that sunset is. This is right here on my window. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. How beautiful is that sky, huh? Let's do a hotel room tour. This is the view when you get into the door. Look how beautiful that outside view there, huh? And when you turn right here to the right, you see this beautiful mirror, life-size mirror you got there. And I have here my little closet space. And I think this is also closet space, but I don't have anything there. They have a big flat iron here. Where's the actual iron? Oh, it's right here. There you go. And then when you go to the other side of the door, you see the toilet, the bathroom. It's really nice, this sliding door. Don't you just love that? Look at that. Isn't that cool? I like it. Nice shower room right here. Pretty, huh? Nice towel rack. And of course, the nice vanity area or the sink area. I already unpacked my stuff right there. And I use Neutrogena products here. Let's see what we got here. There you go. We got some Neutrogena products. All right. Oh, I forgot to mention, I always have some sort of like blow dryer, hair dryer. I never really use it, but I just thought I'd mention that. Okay, let's move on to see the whole room right here. Right on this side, I have my mini fridge. I got all my food in there already, which I'm gonna show you in a little bit. And I even have a couple of Diet Cokes and water and coffee maker. I don't have to use my mini skillet, so I'm just gonna heat my food with that microwave. I know some of you are against microwave. I'm not against microwave. I'm not pro microwave. I still prefer to cook in a skillet, but if there's a microwave and I'm super hungry, I'm gonna use that. All right, I have this really nice desk, or I don't know what you call that area for the TV and all whatnot. I don't even know what's in here. I haven't even opened this. Okay, just some space. There you go. And yeah, there's a mini desk right there in the corner. And look at this couch area, you guys. Isn't that a nice couch? I love that color. I wouldn't think I would like approve this if I buy this for home, but I'm actually loving it. I am loving that blue color. This is the nice bed. I like those little art they put it up there. Let's see it with a nice light here. Let's see how it looks like. I try to turn the lights on for you guys, and then as soon as I finish videotaping, I just shut off all the light. But for now, I'm just gonna show you how pretty this room with all the lights on. So they usually don't have like an overhead light. It's like, you know, lots of different lamps, some area lamps, I don't know what you call it, but I really like the design of this hotel. Look at that high ceiling and nice, you know, view outside. So if I'm here in the corner of the window, this is what you'll see right here. That is the entire room. All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed that mini hotel room tour. And I am kind of hungry. I had my lunch at the, where did I have my lunch? Chicago. Sometimes I don't remember where I am. I think I've been here before. I don't remember when, but I think I've been to this hotel before in Austin. So I just didn't see this part, this view. This is a nicer view that I have right now. So I really appreciate that our lead flight attendant gave me this room. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. And actually, I got this trip, you guys, last night. It's supposed to be my day off, but I put a bid on my, I don't know what you call it, TTS. And I put a bid to work only if there's a red flag. So I got a call last night, and this is a red flag. It's my very first time getting a red flag. And red flag means you get paid 1.5. So this credit for the whole sequence is 10 hours, but I get like kind of like an overtime pay. So it's gonna be like 10 times 1.5, so 15 hours. So I'm so excited working 10-hour credit and getting 15 hours. I love it. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, you guys, it's so beautiful. I think I'm just gonna eat right here on the couch and just stare at that beautiful view from here. Oh my God, there's an aircraft here. Look at that, you guys. There's an airplane. Woo! How pretty is that, huh? I'm glad that I caught that and showed you. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go change, and we're not gonna do anything outside tonight. I am really not planning on going out. It's 7:30 here in Austin, and I'm just gonna go change, heat my food, and again, I said I'm gonna work out. I think I'm gonna work out before I go to sleep, before I shower. So let's do that right now. Let's heat our food and eat. I'll show you what I got. Yay! It's a leftover from last night, but I'll show you.
You know that life's a magic circle, and it's my turn for a ride. I'm dusting out this bubble, and I'm flying on the tide. You can sit down with your trouble, but for me it's plain to see. This is my look,